If you're using Hostinger Horizons, you may see some small problems from time to time. That's normal because Horizons is still new and the team is working hard to make it better. One problem you may see is called high system load. This happens when too many people are using Hostingers at the same time. You'll see a message at the top right corner that says system usage is high, please try again later. So what you can do? First, do the same thing again. Try one or two more times. It usually works after a few tries. Second, if it still doesn't work, wait for a few hours and try again later. Lots of people are using Horizons and sometimes the system is busy. Third, if the problem is still there after waiting, talk to the Hostinger customer support team. They can help you fix it. That's it. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain. Also, SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video.